Is your HyperX Cloud mic not being detected in Discord? Don't worry, this video will guide you through the most common fixes. We'll cover permission issues and audio device settings. Most problems are software related, so let's get started. First, ensure Discord is using your HyperX mic. Go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Select HyperX Cloud as your input device. Next, in Windows, right-click the speaker icon, go to Sounds, then the Recording tab. Set your HyperX mic as the default device. This ensures proper audio routing. Microphone permissions in Windows. Discord needs permission to access your microphone. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Microphone. Ensure that Allow apps to access your microphone is toggled on. This is crucial for Discord to function correctly. Finally, ensure that Discord specifically has permission to access the microphone. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for HyperX Cloud mic issues. Use HyperX Ngenuity software to update your drivers. The Ngenuity software provides an easy interface for managing HyperX devices. Alternatively, use Windows Device Manager to update drivers. Right-click your device and select Update Driver. First, uninstall any conflicting drivers by selecting Uninstall Device in Device Manager. Then, reinstall the latest drivers from HyperX's website for optimal performance. Newer firmware improves compatibility with Discord and Windows audio systems. Start troubleshooting by testing your microphone in the Windows Voice Recorder app. This helps isolate whether the issue is with your hardware or drivers. If the microphone doesn't work in Voice Recorder, it's likely a hardware or driver problem. But if it works there, the issue is probably specific to Discord. Finally, check the input volume in Windows sound settings. If the microphone is too quiet, increase the levels there to improve audio quality. Sometimes Discord's voice settings become corrupted, leading to microphone problems. To fix this, navigate to Discord's voice and video settings and click the Reset Voice Settings button. This restores all audio configurations to their default state, often resolving unexpected glitches without affecting other app settings. Here's what the voice and video settings look like in Discord. You can see the input and output device options, and the reset button is located in this panel. Clicking reset clears any corrupted settings and can fix mic issues that other troubleshooting steps couldn't resolve. Use this when your HyperX Cloud mic still doesn't work after checking permissions and drivers. Software conflicts can prevent your HyperX Cloud microphone from working in Discord. Antivirus programs may block microphone access, so whitelist Discord in your firewall settings. Other audio software, such as Nehemic or Realtek drivers, can also cause interference. Check for updates or disable conflicting programs. Close any unnecessary audio applications running in the background to prevent conflicts and ensure Discord has clear access to your microphone. Finally, confirm that your default communication device is set to your HyperX Cloud headset in Windows Sound settings. Discord's AutoFix feature can automatically detect and suggest audio fixes for your HyperX Cloud microphone. Keep an eye out for future updates that integrate AI-driven diagnostics, making troubleshooting even easier. Remember to keep your software up to date to access these new features.